Hello guys, welcome once more. I'm my humble self, Progjury. In this channel, we get you understood on how to make money online, even with your phone, your laptop, whether you have the knowledge or you are skilled or unskilled. We help you to know that you can make money from the internet. Today, I'm going to help you understand that you can make money from the internet with just two things. What you need is just your phone and your data. Are you still there? You want to make money? Let's take a break. Hit the subscribe button, like and share. Let's go. Yes, welcome back. Most people are really making money from the internet. And I always do my best to come here to get you informed that you can make money from the internet legitimately. Don't wait for people to start making money. Just come to my YouTube channel and I'll be here to update you as long as you are subscribed. Site we're going to talk about right now is called SideGig. This website called sidegig.co is very good for you right now because it takes little from you to start making money from the internet. Yes. What are they talking about? They are saying that you have to join over 100,000 freelancers that are already earning from this website called SideGig, and they are earning from home. So you don't need to go to any office to start making money. Just right from the comfort of your home, you can start making money from the internet. If you scroll down, you're going to see proof that people are really making money from this website. Like about 2 million naira has been earned from this internet, from this website. And you can see the balance that is here, about 140,000 naira in the balance. Then about 799 completed tasks. That's what this person has already made. He's smart and it's working very well. Let's go. I want to see how it works. They said join our community, submit the sign up form to join the SideGig community to be reviewed and approved. Then the next thing is after approval, you then select active task, and every 10 seconds you get a new task. So what you do, you follow the instructions and do the best work. Then the next part of it is you get paid. You get paid, and there's a minimum threshold you need to get before you can withdraw. How do you get that? Let's go down and see what is involved there. Then these are the other platforms. You see other platforms here that are affiliated to them. Then look at what part saying about this SideGig. That this one says SideGig has helped me save extra funds instead of just surfing on the internet or on Instagram with all my data. I just do jobs on SideGig when I remember, and some days I even make targets. So this one is really making some money from this internet. Let's check the other person. This one is saying SideGig helped me a lot. I have earned over 250,000 with SideGig. I am now getting my spending money with SideGig, and even the phone I'm chatting with now, I bought it with the help of SideGig. Kudos and very big thanks to SideGig. Yes, you can still say this too if you join these people right now. So let's check. They said, how much can I make? They said there is no limit. You can work as much as you want. Many freelancers come to SideGig to earn full-time while others earn part-time utilizing their free time. So how do I get paid? In case you're asking, you get paid directly into your bank account, your local bank, and you can request withdrawal on reaching the minimum threshold of 4,000 naira. So when you earn up to 4,000 naira, you can just withdraw. So they are paying, and it's a very good site that you can work with at your own time. So in this place, you don't need anybody to be your boss. You are a boss of your own self as long as you have a phone and data. So like they said, what is SideGig? SideGig is an online workspace for freelancers. SideGig serves to connect people by providing simple and complete jobs online. Jobs listed on the platform are diverse and limitless. It ranges from simple tasks such as liking or commenting on contents to completing of surveys and posts. So that's it. So what you do here is just to what I say you just like, you comment, and you complete some surveys, and that's just it. So if I were you, I'll just come here, I click on this start earning. Yes, I want to start earning. I want to click on the start earning. It takes you to this spot where you can just fill in your details. Yes, you can fix in your username, you can fix your first name, your last name, your email address. Please try to make sure you fix in your real email address because it's business. It's not what you are going to use for fun. Then fix your password, and the password should be correct again. Then the next thing you do, you want to choose this user stroke freelancer. That's what you select and click on register. So in one case, I'll just click on login. And once I'm logging, you can see my account. Then the next thing, so we are inside our account right now. This is my account. This is my name. You can see my profile picture there. So, but you may not see profile picture. You can just click on it and edit your profile picture at your own time. But right now, I want to tell you what you can do right now. The first thing you need to do in this place, when you are registered, you come here. In your own case, you are going to see two options here. One is to submit your what do I mean? One is to get your phone number approved, and the next one is to update your social account. In my own case, I've already had my my phone number approved. You're just going to fix your phone, put your phone number there, and they will send you a code. Please, when you add your phone number, don't add the plus sign there. Maybe in Nigeria, just say 234, maybe 00, maybe 234 080 3362, just like that, and fix your phone number. Don't put plus. Then you'll be sent a code. Then you cannot fix in the code there, and you already approved. The next one, you want to link your social media account so that you can start having tasks. There are two things here. One is your phone number, the other one is your social account, because without the phone number, you cannot see tasks to work. Like if you come here, if you have not add your phone number, you cannot click on this tab here that says task available. Say task available. You cannot really come to this spot if you are not verify your phone number. So do it to verify your phone number, and in this case right now, I already have about 108 tasks available. And what are they saying? They are saying that I should just post like in IG, that's Instagram. And when I do that, I'm going to earn just 2 naira. Just simple, 2 naira. It will not take me anything. Just less than 5 seconds, I've done that. As long as I've completed my social media account. Right now, I cannot perform it because I'm here to update my social media account. So let's just say, in case you want to update, you can just click here. Let's click and see what they're going to give us. Alright, so we are here right now. So you can see the social media accounts. You have the Instagram, you have Twitter, we have TikTok, we have Facebook, we have YouTube. No matter how, as long as you are online, as long as you have a smartphone and use data, you must have one of these accounts, Facebook or thereabout. It must be in your phone, or even TikTok. I know sometimes you go to TikTok to watch videos that gets you happy. Now you're going to use it for money. So what you do, you just click on the add button, and you can see the instructions. They said social media requirement. 1, a profile picture is compulsory, minimum of 5 posts. Then any page you submit must be owned by you and must represent a living being. So don't go and borrow an account at you, because you are going to be making money from that account. And they said how to get verified. Paste your activation code as a comment here, pending verification by our staff. So their staff will verify your account. And mind you, please, before you start running any form of gig here or making money here, do well to make sure that their staff have verified your social media account, because it's that social media account that you're going to use to work. Please, it's very, very important, so that don't say you're misguided. Please, this site is really paying people, and don't say you won't get paid. But let's talk about something. You want to talk about your your banking system, because when you work, you need to get paid. Go to your dashboard. And want to see how you can get your money out of this place. Maybe you've earned up to 4,000 naira and you want to cash out. Just come here and click on go to profile, and let's get it loaded. Then the next thing, you come and add bank. You can see add bank. Click on add bank. Then you cannot put your bank. Maybe you are using First Bank. I just say First Bank, and then you put your account number. If you see account number and then you put your account name. Maybe my name is Promise Yuri. You fix in Promise Yuri and click add to bank. But this is not my account number, so I will not fix add to bank right now. Just click add to bank. That means you have saved your bank account number. Then the next thing, when you already hit maybe like you've hit about 4,000 naira minimum payout, then you can now withdraw to your bank account directly. It's as simple as that. Please, if I've made any impact, if I've made any impact, positive impact to you, please do it to state that in the comment section of this video channel. This YouTube channel, please state that in the comment section, and in case you want me to make more videos on how to make money online on a particular topic that I'm not really informed or that you want to work on, please do it to state that in the comment section. I have other videos for you here. This one talks about 5 websites to make money online with no experience. Then in case you're looking for traffic, I have other way to give you traffic, like free traffic sources in 2022, sure affiliate marketing traffics. So another one I have here is how to earn $25,000 from faceless YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and do it to share.